Hello guys, today I am going to tell about the topic is plant cell and animal cell. So let's get started. Plant cell. Plant cells are a type of eukaryotic cell found in the organism within the plant kingdom. The eukaryotic cell does not contain the nucleus. The plant cell differ from other eukaryotic cells as the organelles present are different. Organelles are the major part of the cell. The major difference in the plant cell is that the plant cell contains the rigid cell wall. Around its cell wall, other organisms contain the cell wall around their cells. But the plant cell contains the protein and cellulose. The cell wall provides the cell with the protection and gives the plant its shape and structure. The plant cell contains the chlorophyll also. The chlorophyll gives the plant their green color and allows them to perform photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process of plant used to make their own food by using carbon dioxide, water and sunlight. The plant cell contains large central vacuoles. Vacuoles are larger structures in plant cell as the some other eukaryotics. Functions of plant cell. Plant cells are the basic building block of plant life and they carry out all the functions necessary for survival. Photosynthesis is the process of making food from light energy, carbon dioxide and water. It's occur in the chloroplast of the cell. The cells of a matured plant become specialized to perform certain vital functions that are essential for survival. Following are some of the specialized plant cells. Collenchyma cell. They are elongated, have thin cell walls, and can change space and grow as a plant grows. Sclerenchyma cell. The cells of sclerenchyma cells are more rigid. They are the main supporting cell in the areas of the plant that have going. These cells are dead and have very thin cell walls. Third number, parenchyma cell. Most of the cell in plant are parenchyma cell. They are found in leaves and carry out photosynthesis and cellular respiration along with the metabolic process. They also store substrates like starch and proteins and have a role in plant repair. Fourth number, xylem cell. It transports mostly water and a few nutrients throughout the plant from roots to the stem and leaves. पांचवा नंबर, phloem cell. It transport nutrient made during photosynthesis to all part of a plant. They also transport sap, which is a watery solution high in sugars. Animal cell. Animal cell is typical eukaryotic cell with a membrane bound nucleus with the presence of DNA inside the nucleus. Unlike the eukaryotic cells of plants and animal cell do not have a cell wall. They comprise of other organelles and cellular structures which carry out specific function. necessary for the cell of function properly. Function of animal cell. First number, skin cells. These cells are found in the dermal and epidermal layer. It works in the protection of internal parts. It's the excess lower of water through dehydration, precipitation, and in the transmission and sensation. Second number, bone cells. Bone cells are responsible for making skeleton and bones of animals. The primary function of the cell in the provide structural support and helps in the movement of the body. And third number, muscle cells. The functions for the movement of the body. It also helps in the action of the delicate organs of the body. Fourth number, blood cells. These cells work as the transporters in the body which carry hormones and nutrition, mainly the blood carrier oxygen or to different part of the body and helps in taking back the carbon dioxide. It is also known as hemostasis cell. Fifth number, nerve cell. These are specialized cells regulated to send impulse or information. These are the signal or message help the body to connect and perform the function in a manner according to the environment. These signals are sent from the central nervous system and the sensory receptors